Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl Lige. Look at this. Look at that. Look at me. I got the blonde on one side. I got the black on the other. Who is doing it like this? Nobody. Look at that. Stronze. Take a pose. Strike. Strike. Ching. All right, check it out. Look, this is how it starts, okay? This is the wig I'm about to use. Look, this is how I do my cornrows. Just, you got to get it real nice and tight. If you don't get it tight, it ain't going to look right. Repeat after me. Tight. Right. See that? See how fast I'm moving? I didn't fast forward the video. I just braid that fast. So if you can braid that fast, get like me. Get like me. You understand what I'm saying? Ain't none of y'all like me. Can't none of y'all do like me. Can't braid to do like me. Can't do like me. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just making things up. Look at those cornrows. Jailhouse style. Yep, that's how you do it. 5 fingers. 10 fingers. Jailhouse style. And then see what you got to do is you got to braid the cornrow after you get the cornrow in. You see how I'm doing that? Look at that. Right in the back. Boom. This, my jailhouse wave cap, a.k.a. lace front cap, a.k.a. cap that saves the naps. See, you got to have the got to be glued. It's got to be glued to let your soul glow, baby. Okay, look, don't cut yourself with the scissors or burn yourself with the iron. You understand? The blow dryer. So you got to cut a little hole right there for your ear. Make sure you don't cut your ear or do any new piercings. Okay, so make sure that you take your earrings off too. I don't know why to take my earrings off before this. So make sure you take your earrings off. And so what you want to do now is you want to get the edge boost, and I'm gonna open it like I do every day. I'm just gonna bite it open. I ain't even gonna try to be fancy. So I'm gonna grab the edge boost and then put that. You want to dab it. You don't want too much. You just want a little bit of dab just to make sure you get that. Take not your toothbrush you brush your teeth with, but the toothbrush you'll use to lay the edges. Lay those back. Lay them back like a smooth Cadillac. You know what I'm saying? Just lay them back. And then you leave some of the sideburns. Leave a little bit of the sideburns. Not too much, just a little bit to make it believable. Okay, put your cap back. Now, the holes you put for your ears, those should be able to just slide right in. Just slide those through. Make sure the cap is down nice and even. And then you want to take your scissors and put another hole. Don't cut yourself. Because if you cut yourself, you're going to be bleeding. I ain't got no Band-Aids for you. You understand what I'm saying? So make sure you don't cut yourself. Next thing, you want to put the got to be glue. You're going to put it on top of the cap. It may look strange. It may feel strange. But just put it on top of the cap. It's going to dissolve. And it's going to hold this cap in place. And that's important. You want to make sure that you put it on a high heat and dance a little bit because you don't want to just sit there and blow dry without the dance, okay? All right, next, we're going to go ahead and cut off the edges. Be careful that you don't cut yourself in the face. Again, I don't have any Band-Aids for you, so you got to be real careful. Go ahead and cut those edges nice and tight. I think you know what? I messed up just a little bit, but you know what? It's okay. No, who's perfect? Not me. Not for sure. See, that's okay. I'm going to still, I'm going to cut it anyway. I'm going to blow dry it just a little longer just to make sure that it's dry. So you make sure it's dry because if it's not dry, you're going to cut all the wrong places. Looking for the love in all the wrong places. You've been cutting it up in all the wrong places. All right, so now we're going to just cut it off, cut the edges, make sure that you get it nice and tight. You don't want any of the excess edges to be showing. Make sure you get a nice even cut. And again, don't cut yourself. I repeat, don't cut yourself. Because if you cut yourself, I can't help you. This is YouTube. And if you do cut yourself, hang up and call 911 because it's an emergency. All right, so go ahead and cut the rest of the edges. See, and you see how that is? I've been waiting for you at the door. Okay, all right, so this is what the wig looks like. This is how the wig is going to be when I put it on. Lord, how does this go? What is going on? Oh, there it is. I had to cut to the next scene because y'all didn't really want to see me mess around and put all the way on. Okay, this is how you get it straight. You see how this lace is lining on top of the other lace I just laid down on my head? Maybe I shouldn't have did this. Okay, all right, here we go. Back again. Got to be edge control or got to be glue. It's all got to be. You got to be right. If it ain't right, it ain't right. All right, so now you want to go ahead and lay that got to be down on top. And then you get the wig, lay that on top, and then what you want to do is you want to brush and just straighten it out and kind of style it and contour it the way you want. See, it's got to be contoured. If it's not contoured, then you're not gonna like the finished product. So you want to make sure that you comb through it a few times, get it nice and laid and swayed is what I say. Get the curling iron. You know, you don't want to put on high heat, just a little bit of heat, you know, to kind of lay things down, straighten them out a little bit, and then you glue the other side. So go ahead on the other side and glue that down. I don't know why I comb my hair without gluing it, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and glue the other side down and then comb it again. Just like I didn't comb it the first time. I don't know why. I'm just, you know, it is what it is. Okay, deal with it, and a little bit more for y'all. The curling iron. You know, you don't want to get it too hot because you don't want to burn yourself. If you burn yourself, again, I don't have any Band-Aids for you. Okay? All right. So maybe I'm a little confused about what I'm doing right now. But hey, guess what? I look nice. And I'm starting to like it. What about you? This is it. Final product. I don't know what that says. Lace front. Yeah, lace front. This me. Not you. This me. What you gonna do? Boo boo. Ruhama. We out of here. Deuces. I said bye. Leave now. You can leave my page now. Don't forget to subscribe.
We were sleeping on the things that we have. I gotta enjoy the last, yes, never leaving so.